SGT University is located near Gurgaon. We are in the medical college and this is the orthopedics department of the medical college. We are going through a global pandemic of the corona outbreak. And this is such a severe and scaring outbreak that one has to take precautions at all levels. The medical college witnessed a fair number of emergencies during this period. And when a patient comes, we are not sure whether it is COVID negative or it is suspected COVID or it is COVID positive. In all probabilities, we assume that the patient is COVID positive or at least suspected COVID. So we have to take precautions. Now the orthopedic emergencies can be in the form of fractures, which can be open fractures, closed fractures, or the spinal injuries and so on. We formulated that as far as this outbreak is concerned, we must treat all closed fractures conservatively. We must make the patient comfortable with either a splint or a plaster, put them in the ward, and as soon as he improves or his status becomes negative, if he was a COVID positive patient, then we can plan surgery and taking again all precautions in the operation theatre, because there the paramedical staff, the operating team, the anesthesia team, everybody is involved, and there is a probability of aerosols coming out on the face. So all these fracture cases we thought of treating conservatively. Open fractures, of course, we had to apply external fixators on many cases. Whenever we used to go to the COVID ward, our team of doctors, whenever they used to go, they used to wear this PPE kit so that it gives personal protection to them. My advice to them was on two lines, that corona is invisible, but we are not invincible. There is a fear in the mind. Fear is okay. For that fear, we have to take precautions. Just yesterday only we got 2 cases. Now the policy during this outbreak is, we would like to manage these cases conservatively.
एक emergency में एक patient आया.
क्या है?
This is the X-ray of the patient. And sir, the patient is COVID positive, sir.
COVID positive?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ से आया है?
Patient has been referred from an outside hospital and there's a history of fall from stairs.
फ्रैक्चर क्लोज्ड है, ओपन वुंड है?
Sir, closed fracture है.
अच्छा देखो ऐसा है, कोविड पॉजिटिव है
जी सर.
तो एज पर पॉलिसी वी विल ट्राई टू मैनेज दिस पेशेंट इन ए क्लोज वे.
जी सर.
अभी उसको ना सिर्फ प्लास्टर लगाएंगे सो दैट ही इज़ कम्फर्टेबल. स्प्लिंटिंग हो जाएगी.
ओके सर.
एनालिसिस लगाएंगे. विल कीप हिम एडमिटेड.
ओके सर.
जब वो कोविड नेगेटिव हो जाएगा तो आई थिंक देन विल हैव टू डू नेलिंग ऑफ दिस केस.
राइट सर.
Here is Pramod, aged 18 years, who is admitted in this hospital as COVID positive patient, sustained fracture of his left leg. Our team of doctors have arrived. They are now applying the plaster on this patient. That is the treatment we have decided on this patient. First a stockinette has been put in. Now the soft roll is being applied. His X-ray has been taken with a portable machine in this department. They are applying slab now. And this is the modality of treatment in such outbreaks. At the moment he turns negative, we like to operate on this patient.